Hello students, welcome back in our ENV class. Today we will continue with this chapter 6, Ria's journey. In last video we saw that Ria was traveling in train with her family. Ria was going to Vapi to her uncle's house. In the journey to Vapi, Ria saw Sankhiyali station and after 11 at night they were going to sleep. So now let's continue with this chapter. I tried to sleep, but I was not able to sleep due to train's noise. So here Ria was trying to sleep, but due to train's noise, she was not able to sleep. There was another family near our seat. The girl in the family seems to be of my age. She was also not feeling sleepy. We both talked. Her name was Fiona. She had some storybooks. I also took one book from her and started reading it. While reading the book, I slept. So here Fiona was also traveling with her family in the same coach as Ria. Both Ria and Fiona could not sleep in the train. So both of them introduced themselves and started talking with each other and became friends. Fiona gave Ria her storybook to read, and while reading the book, Ria slept. Suddenly, I woke up. I saw that light was coming from the window. I sat and peeped out of the window. Here, peep means to look at something quickly through a small opening. It seems a big city had came. The train was passing. The city was looking very beautiful all around because of lighting. I have never seen such kind of beautiful scene in Gandhidham. The train was passing under the bridge or somewhere from railway crossing where all around tall buildings and the atmosphere was quiet. I took my mother's mobile to take photos and videos of those beautiful scenes which we will enjoy watching later. So here when train was passing, Ria saw that a big city had came and this big city was Ahmedabad city and she had never seen such kind of beautiful scene in Gandhidham. Here in these pictures we can see beautiful lightings of Ahmedabad city. Our train reached at one big station. Father also woke up. He told that Ahmedabad came. The atmosphere filled up by the noise of different hookers. Here hookers means feriwala. At the railway station we can see so many hookers. Some of the words were chai garam chai, garma garam bhajia, puri shaak, cold water bottle, bananas, vada pav, chiku, apple. Father said the train will be at the station for 20 to 25 minutes. Father got down from the train to fill water bottle and I also went with him. So here at the Ahmedabad station there were so many hookers. In these pictures we can see there were bhel wala, banana wala, then samosa wala. The platform was crowded. Passengers were buying from the hookers. There were many other trains at the platform. There were people with red uniform carrying load and running around. Now do you know who are these people with red uniform carrying load and running around? So these people are called coolie. Coolie is the person who assists passengers in loading, unloading and distribution of luggage and parcels. So here in these pictures we can see coolie with luggage. There was an important announcement on the Mayak. Some passengers were waiting for their train. I was enjoying the scene. We took bananas and chiku from hawkers and got into the train. So at the railway station, Ria heard a voice announcing important instruction and information on a microphone. So let's listen this announcement. Which kind of announcement at the railway station she heard?
यात्री कृपया ध्यान दें, क्रमांक 1280 सुपरफास्ट समता एक्सप्रेस थोड़ी ही देर में प्लेटफॉर्म क्रमांक 3 पर आ रही है।
By the time the train started, we ate bananas and chiku and I went to the toilet. Now I was feeling sleepy. I was having bored of snakes and ladders game. Himaksh, Fiona and I played snakes and ladders. In the meantime, the train arrived at Nadiad where Fiona had to get down. Fiona said bye to us. Then I and Himaksh went to sleep. So do you know this game, snakes and ladders? This is so much fun. You should play this game in your free time with your friends. And after that, at Nadiad station, Fiona had to get down and then Riya and Himaksh went to sleep. Now, let's write question answers. These answers you have to write down in your textbook. Have you ever travelled by roadway or railway at night? What did you see on the way? Write in detail. So, when we had gone to Ahmedabad, we had travelled at night by bus. We saw villages, fields, trees, river and bridges, etc. Everything looked lovely in the moonlight. So, when we had gone to Ahmedabad, we saw villages, fields, trees, rivers and bridges. What did Riya see in Ahmedabad from the train? Right. So from the moving train, Riya saw beautifully lit up Ahmedabad city, multi-story buildings, lots of moving vehicles, flyover bridges, roads with gates, etc. In these pictures we can see moving vehicles, multi-story buildings. Now, did you buy anything from the hawkers at the railway station during your travel? If yes, then make a list of it. So here you have to make list of the things that you buy from the hawkers at the railway station. So write down in your textbook: tea, samosa, newspaper, biscuits, wafers, chana jur garam, bananas, ice cream, vada pav, apples, peanuts, bhajia, coffee, a bottle of water and chikus. What did Riya see at Ahmedabad railway station? So, at Ahmedabad railway station, Riya saw various stalls, vendors, passengers, railway staff people, coolies and many other trains on the platform at Ahmedabad. Which type of voices Riya heard at Ahmedabad railway station? So Riya heard the sound of various vendors. She also heard voices selling bananas, chikus, apples, etc. So in this chapter we discussed Riya's journey from Gandhidham railway station to Ahmedabad railway station. I hope you all understood this video. I will send PDF file of this chapter that you have to write down in your notebook.